Alright, so I just wanted to get the recorder going for this trade real quick. Basic game plan. Well, I'll just break it down real quick. 20-cent increments. We had some ask at 23.40 up into 23.50 on the move around here. It rejected 23.60, but not with a whole bunch of selling, so that indicated to me that it's just looking to build because we did have ask prints under. Um, let's see. So around this 23.20 level, I would say that it satisfied its pullback. So I was looking for a trigger out of this volume dip. We didn't get it. It got rejected at 23.40. So on this bar over here, that indicated to me that it was looking to build still, but as it came back down to 23.20, it still respected this level. It held it as support. And then from there, we've kind of just been on an uptrend since. And between here and here, we got this print line at 23.36. So that kind of just confirmed this 23.40 as a level. So I've got the orb line. I mean, you could just clearly see it. See 23.40, how it's been acting as a resistance. So once it broke up above it, I was still a little cautious. We did get this volume. This is where the print line came in, so not quite, um, not quite there yet. But on this bar, I did get in. Obviously, 23.43 is where I got in at. Let's see. What else do I need to talk about? My risk, my stop loss is set. You can see here at 23.34. Under this print line, so I'm giving myself a 9-cent risk, which is fine. It is trading 20-cent increments, so I mean, from one level to the next, like 9 cents would be too much. So I am looking for a price target more towards that 75. But trading is dynamic, right? And since I've recorded this, I haven't been looking at a thing, obviously. But it looks like new buying is still coming in. So obviously, it's going in my, like, things are working out in my favor, and we still got new buying coming in. Oh, and just real quick, what I do need to mention is the type of move that I was expecting it to make. So instead of it being like super flowy, like I know these words are just not the best. I was like, instead of it just being like super smooth, like if you look at the chart, it's got a nice uptrend here, but like it's kind of spurty to me. It's not flowy. It's not just like rapidly attacking the ask. It's just like coming into these bursts, you know. So that's the type of move that I was expecting coming into this. So I'm expecting it to be a little choppy, you know. So it does this. It just moves like that. So that was my expectation going into this trade, and yeah, so far so good. For the sake of recording, I'm probably just gonna get out at 23.72. So close. I might get out sooner, just depending on the time. Right now, you can see it's 9:26. So I might get out before open, or at 23.72, just before that minor level. Still got nice buying coming into this. Volume is not really anything special. It's kind of just moving how it has been. So obviously waxing volume would be great, but yeah. So coming into this 23.72 ish area, I'm looking to get out, but I'm gonna set my stop loss a little lower right now, which I don't even know if I should do. It just depends. It's 9:27, 3 minutes to open. Like anything could happen with a huge volume shift. So I'm just going to manage my risk this way. We do have some selling, so I'm like ready to get out. I'm ready to push the button to get out at at this moment, to be honest. I mean, no real reason to, but I'm ready for it. That's it. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, we got 2.5 minutes left, and I'm giving myself like a minute more max. Huge order at 23.70, just busted through it. Nice buying coming in after. Nothing special though, nothing crazy. So definitely, ugh, be so easy to I just want to get out.
Order
I
filled.
just get freaked out. I just get freaked out. I mean, being so close to the open, I'm not comfortable with that idea at all. Like, that's kind of just. I'm not gonna say it's the best exit, but I did want to lock in the profit. Excuse me. I hate it when my voice gets like scratchy or whatever. But hey, not a bad move. Not a bad move. So yeah, I guess that's the end of this recording because I'm not gonna be recording going into the open because I haven't looked at anything else. So I'm gonna start doing that now. So yes, thank you.